How to delete all your pokes on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to easily delete all the pokes you've sent on Facebook. Now without any further delay, let us just jump right in. Open up Facebook application first, and then from here you want to tap on the search bar. Then once you tap on it, you need to search for pokes. And then head over to pokes to see who you have poked previously. And it will show you the friends you have poked. Now to delete them, as you can see, I'm not able to delete it from here. I can just go ahead and go back to my settings, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then from menu, tap on the gear icon to open settings. Now you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find your activity log. Under your activity, tap on your activity log, and then you need to go to your Facebook activity. Tap on the drop down. From this drop down, you need to scroll down again until you find the very end of it, that is your other activities, and then tap on its drop down one more time. Then you can find pokes over here. Tap on pokes, and once you have done that, just go ahead and select all if you want at the top left on the box. And if you want to delete all of them, tap on remove at the bottom of your screen, tap on remove again, and all of the pokes you've previously sent will now be deleted. Now you need to confirm your password for this action and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.